Alexa, shut up. So on this side, just got one little guy to put on underneath right here for some support. Here we go. Oh, damn, lost the drill already. Look at that. I didn't think you could do that. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I'm messing up so bad today. Dang, got it. Jeez, this is not good. Alright, take 3. Boy, this is some fine craftsmanship. Almost finished up this tire cover. We're gonna put a cabinet on top. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. Oh, we're gonna put a cabinet over top, same height as the windows. And then on this side, we won't have the cabinet on top, but this part will actually look good. That's the plan. We'll see how it goes. Only one way to find out. Very some sturdy wood. But it'll get the job done, I think. Alright, we're good. Yeah, it's fine. It's time to move all the trash from this side of the bus back to this side of the bus so we can work on it. Alright, now I'm debating if I use the saw in here and then just clean up after myself, or take the saw outside. I'm going to keep the saw in here and just clean up. Be lazy now, then later on I'll have no choice but to work hard. Alright, this is good. 2, 3 feet. 3 feet. That can't be right. By no means can that be right. What the hell? Alright. You know what? Some faith in yourself, dude. That was right. Good job. Some music goes. Again, that ain't right. That ain't right, dude. No, it is right. No, it's not. Huh. No, it is. Time out. So this is. Yeah, that's not right. Alright. Alright, problem solved. Fix it real quick. See if this makes sense. Bang. Bang. But what I'm trying to do is, what now? Man. Figure this out, you got this. So this is 3 feet. I cut these to 3 feet there, which means I'm gonna put this board right there, and that's our show you what I'm figuring out. Because these aren't in yet. So when I was just butting this up against this size didn't make sense, but about right there is right. And then we can mess around with this and make that right as well. I think, here we go. We're gonna 45 that way, and 45 this way. Cut it fit like so. 45 degrees. Wait, why is this hurting my brain right now? This way. There we go. Cool. And there we go. Did this correctly. Should go together like so. Beautiful. There we go. I did that thing. It's gonna be pretty cool. Alright, that wasn't good. That's good enough. He says what I'm telling myself to make myself feel better.